Hello everybody to lesson 26 of CSS for attractive design. In this lesson we will know two things: text shadow, which we have learned before, and box shadow. Let's go and see what we have. For example, here I will start with text shadow. I will write here some text. I will say H2, and here I will say text. This is text shadow. This is text shadow. Great. So let's go and come to this place and see H2, okay, and then bought it and see text shadow. So the text shadow has three elements. The first one, which is four elements. First of all, we could write from X, how much you need the shadow to be from X. Let's see, to 20 pixels. Save it and refresh the page and see what we have. So okay. Then the color, we should read the color. For example, let's see red, and we have here from the vertical, how much you want it. I will see 6 pixel. See that, and come see what do we have here. So this is shadow. The color should be large. The text should be larger. Let's see size, font size, and say let's see, it could be, for example, 40 pixel. Save it, refresh. No, we need it to be bigger. Let's see 80 pixel. And font family, we should change it. Font family, let's see Tahuma. Great. Save it and refresh. Here we are. So this is the text shadow. So here we have the shadow is with with red. So we could create here, for example, let's see green. It would be better, I think. Green. Great. So we could change the text shadow. The horizontal, we could see 6 pixel, and the vertical is 6 pixel. So it would look like that. Great. And we have another thing, which is we could add many shadows, for example, for the same element. And we have here, for example, 4 pixel, or 10 pixel. So this is for the blur, so that the shadow could be more blur. So look, it's blur. Could increase it, for example, 100. It would be a big blur that you could be invisible. So now we have the first element, which is for the horizontal. We could assign it for minus, and see how we have. Let's delete that one, the blur. It would distribute our confusion. So it goes like the opposite side in the left. Also, if we want the the border or the shadow go up, we could add minus here, which means the opposite side. So let's go, it would go up. So in this thing, the first one is the horizontal, the second is the vertical, the third is for the blur. So it could be sorry, there's a space here, I think. Yes, then here we are. So this is like the blur with horizontal and vertical shadow. Another point is we could add many shadow for the same text. For example, here I will add, for example, 4 pixel with 3 pixel, or not 5 pixel, and then let's see black, or not black, let's see red. Save it and refresh and see what we have. So this is the second shadow. We could add also third shadow. We could add unlimited shadow that we want. For example, I will see here minus 3 pixel, minus 3 pixel. Let's see blur, and the blur we see minus, not minus, 10 pixel, and let's see the color would be blue. Save it, refresh, and here we are. So this we have now three shadows for the same text. So this is about the text shadow. Great. Let's go to the next topic, which is the box shadow. Let's write here some box. Let's see, this is box shadow. Great. Let's come to the CSS and styles and see each one, and write here some border, and see it would be for example 7 pixel. Then we have, for example, slide. Then we could see it's white or black. It's black. Great. Then we could have some padding. We could add padding, for example, let's see we have 10 padding from each side. Then we will see background. For that, I'm sorry, background color, and the color would be, for example, let's see yellow. Great. Save it and see what we have here. Here we have a box. Let's see it, the width that we have it. Let's see width. Sorry, new line. Width. So the width could be, for example, let's see 400 pixel. See that? And here we are. So this is a box. Great. We need to have a shadow for that box. How we could add that shadow? We could add like that. We could say box shadow, and inside the box shadow we could say, for example, let's say the horizontal, how much you want. For example, I will say we needed 7 pixel. The vertical also 7 pixel. The Gaussian, the color, I mean, we don't need it now. The color we need it below. Save it and refresh and see what we have. So this is the shadow. The blur, we could add blur here. Let's say it's not 10. Let's see 7 pixel. Sorry, pixel. Save it, reload, and here we are. So it's great, isn't it? I think it is. There is another point. Could we add the opacity? Yes, of course. We could see RGB here and add the text we have here. The color, RGBA. I'm sorry, RGB. We know that the A at the last is for the the opacity. Great. So let's write here, for example, let's see how much. 100. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, 100. Great. So it's not here. 7 pixel. Let's take this instead of the last element, which is blue. Okay. So, and then we have the opacity, which would be, for example, 0.5, means in the middle. So let's see, we need it to be, to be blue. So we will see here, for example, 200 or 255. 250, no problem. Save it, refresh, and here we are. The text, the shadow, is with opacity. Great. So that was the lesson for this session. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.